Hi, my name is Siphelele Mele. I'm one of the headache sufferers. My headache started around 30 years ago when I was doing grade 1. And to tell you, my childhood was not easy because every time we are playing outside, I had to come back and drink some medication, sleep a couple of hours, then I can go back to sleep. And again, my family had to run around. I grew up in the rural villages, so to get headache tablets, they have to summon someone to the shop to come back then give me afterwards. And my mom was worrying very much about my headache. As I grew up as well, my study life was tough because every time I'm studying, I'll have a headache. Every time I'm under pressure, I've got deadlines, I will have a headache. The work life as well, it was the same story. Meeting deadline was a challenge because headache would affect me, as well as attending meetings. If I stay there in the meetings for a long time, I'll have a headache. But during those years, I've consulted so many doctors, the GPs and some specialists, specifically the neurologist, which didn't help. So during my visits with the GPs, I remember one GP, when I was still in Durban, gave me 6 different painkillers, which really gave me excruciating pain on the stomach. And I realized afterwards, actually, I was overdosing painkillers. With the neurologist, they've prescribed different medication, but one prescribed a wafer, which was very expensive and not sustainable for me. But it didn't help anyway in the long period because I had to go back because I couldn't afford those medication. So now I'm married, having 4 kids. As well, my family was affected in terms of the quality of life and the time I spent with my wife and kids. So I had to go back to my shell of the headache and drink medication and sleep a couple of hours before I can come back and spend time with them. So I got to know about headache clinic. I saw an advert on Facebook. I read through some testimonials. Initially I took it as one of those adverts that you always see on Facebook or internet. But I said, let me just give it a try. I gave it a try and I must say it's working wonders for me. I've been on the non-medical treatment for almost 3 months now. I started in May. Now it's August. It's my 3rd month. And so far it's working wonders. I'm used to drinking headache tablets 2 to 3 times a day. But now I drink it once or twice in a month. So the medication, non-medical treatment that they're giving me, it's really, really working. And it has improved drastically the family life, my work life, as well as my study life. As we speak, next year, I'm doing my final year of MBA, and my study is from May up until now. I've been getting a couple of distinctions on my assignment as well as the exams. So really, my life has really changed since I've started taking the non-medical treatment that they're giving me. Specifically the post-charm modifying appliance. It's really, really assisting. Thanks to Headache Clinic for this treatment, and I can recommend this to anyone. I've already recommended it on one of my colleagues, and also is telling me the same story that it's really, really working. Even the sleep, you sleep soundly. You don't wake up at the middle of the night to go and take medication. Thank you.